The entire crypto market has gotten blasted over the past week or so. Some have gotten blasted and hit harder than others. One of my projects that I am invested in has actually been the biggest loser in the last week of crypto tokens and coins in the top 100, and that's ApeCoin. So ApeCoin is getting down to levels where you have to start asking yourself, is it time to accumulate? So in this video, we're going to talk about ApeCoin when I'm deciding to maybe add to my position to lower my average cost. Right now, my average cost in ApeCoin is around $6.20. It is far below that. Is it time to start buying? Price prediction in this video as well. So go ahead, hit the like button. Let's jump in here. So here's where I want to start. I want to go to the overall cryptocurrency market, right? We're down about 5% ahead of the Fed meeting today at the time of this recording. I am doing a lot of videos today, so you might see this one later, this one still rings true because the ApeCoin price is at a very low point right now, and got a big day today, so I'm getting a bunch of videos out ahead of some meetings today. So, all right, here's what we've got. If we go to the 7-day and we click not the gainers, but the losers, look at this. The biggest loser in the last 7 days of top 100 cryptos is ApeCoin. It is down 45% in the last week, down 8.5%, give or take, in the last 24 hours. We're still a top 50 crypto here with Ape. Is it getting down to these levels where we just can't resist anymore? If we take a look at the 7-day, we've been kind of in this range before. We did dip down to this range and bounced off it just a couple days ago. We even dipped a little bit lower at 245 this morning. We got down to $3.13. So if we go out to the month, similar story. Will we dip lower though? That's the big one. Here's the all chart. We can see kind of what's been going on with Ape, and it's losing value with the overall crypto market. Now, if we head over here, this is ApeCoin price prediction. Why $3 can drive an uptrend. Okay, ApeCoin, as we know, an ERC governance token that is used within the Ape ecosystem, really the BAYC ecosystem, to empower the DeFi community. It is their governance token. The world's largest crypto has dropped 30%, meaning Bitcoin, since last week as a result of a higher than expected reading from U.S. inflation with that CPI data coming out. 8.6%, I believe it was, highest in 28 years. Now, a surge in ApeCoin demand can help us capture a buy trade above the 305 range with a stop loss under 3 and take profits around 390 to 450. They're talking about a little bit of a swing trade here. If we get down to 305, we could bounce off of this. The ApeCoin price prediction is likely to exhibit a bullish reversal above the 305 mark. So we're watching this level pretty closely. Again, due to bearish BTC prices, which impact all cryptocurrencies, the ApeCoin price failed to reverse its previous day's bearish trend and again hit an intraday low of $3.35 yesterday, already hit $3.13 here today. So we're seeing a ton of volatility in the crypto market from more speculative assets. But with a cryptocurrency like ApeCoin, that, in my opinion, isn't going anywhere and will perform well once we get back into a bull market. We do know this thing has been all the way up to about 27 bucks. So when you think about that, $3 divided by 27 is literally like a 9x away from here. That is what we're seeing the potential for if we just get back to all-time highs. So I'm going to be looking closer at ApeCoin. Of course, I got in on day one around $6.20, but in these low $3 ranges, I'm going to start adding a little bit to my bags. And, let me know what you think about this down below. But if I can, double up my holdings and lower this average cost to about $4.50, I would feel pretty good about that. Again, ApeCoin is a long-term investment for me. So now ApeCoin price prediction, bearish crypto market. We could see here the world's largest crypto, like we said, has dropped 30%. Here we could see US dollar and ApeCoin. So despite expectations that the Federal Reserve would raise interest rates aggressively, the US dollar fell in Asia on Wednesday, and the US dollar index compares to the US currency to a basket of other currencies fell 20.23% to 105.27. But if we look at that CPI data has also had a big impact, right? 8.6%. But we're looking at that, again, $3.05, $3.04 level where we could bounce off of that. And with the RSI coming out oversold zone, the MACD showing us a bullish crossover can drive an uptrend to 390. If we get to that $3.04 level, we kind of reach that oversold mark for ApeCoin. So I'm going to be watching this closely. Even down in that lower $3 range, in my opinion, is a good time to maybe dollar cost average a little bit if you're playing the long game on ApeCoin. If you're playing the long game, and I am. So this is what I'm looking closer at. You've got to pick and choose. There's so many options right now, but this is where big time wealth will be made for generations to come. This is how people become crypto millionaires right here. Going back to the well, to their high conviction plays, some more speculative than others, like ApeCoin, but I do think ApeCoin is here to stay. I do think they're here to stay, and I'm going to be looking to lower that average cost personally. So that's what I've got for you here in the video. Let me know what you're thinking down below. As always, smash that like button. It is the best way to give back to the channel. It's totally free to do. So go ahead and snap that thing down below. See y'all. I'll see you in the next video.